No?
Yay! Okay, that's one.
Okay.
Oh! I'm rich in diamonds. I can make a jukebox. Jukebox. Ah!
Can I go
Yay! Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now I need music. Well,
The
Moko
zombie
has
gonna
some
be
disc.
killed.
Well, Moko, I'm gonna borrow a disc. I just want to see them dance once. Yeah. Ah.
Okay, and then how far find like water. That's water. Okay. That's fine.
Yay!
Yes. What's that?
My birds dance.
Very nice. That's the creeper. Boy, don't hurt my villager. Is there another creeper? Yeah, yes. The parrot's gone. Creeper? Because of creeper? It's fine. We can get another parrot. Is it like both gone?
It exploded right on top of the jukebox.
So it's like both?
Well, yeah, they were just vibing.
How can the creeper go into that? Is it like inside of the building?
The building's still kind of open-aired. I was literally going to close it off too. At least they died not knowing what was happening. They were just vibing. They didn't see
Is it
what
like
was
on
behind.
the top of their head?
No, they were like vibing, and the creeper walked up behind us and went boom. All creepers will die. They are now my natural sworn enemy. I will kill all of them. They all do not deserve to live. I will kill them all. They will fall upon my blade. All creepers will die. I don't care. They took my family away. I am Feeble Wick. My parents.